Oh!
As unique as possible.
Good morning, afternoon, good night, good morning, afternoon. I think it's afternoon. Anyways, happy Saturday mood. It is like literally 100 degrees outside and we're getting ready to head to Long Island. We're staying by the AC as long as we can because as soon as we leave this house, it's game over. OOTD. I just have on some shorts, some high-waisted shorts that I actually made out of some Levi pants, acid wash t-shirt, my favorite Keds, my only Keds, but I love Keds, comfortable shoes. Hair is back because it's hot. I wish I could put it up in a ponytail without showing all that, but I can't. So it's as back as it's gonna be. And we are getting ready for this journey. Okay, so we were able to get a refund on our tickets because we accidentally overpaid, and that whole ordeal took like 10 minutes, but now we gotta wait for the next train out to Freeport. So I say Freeport and her say Babylon. Will they still let her off at Freeport?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the lighting is awesome. I
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I was ready. I saw it.
You gotta always be ready. Oh, wait. Look at that. So we're going to Long Island.
So now are we gonna go over some water? Ain't it on the island?
We had a great time.
Hold on, hey, pause the video, please. Come on, Tommy.
Where is it?
It's a picture.
Ooh, it's right in this one.
I know.
So, all in all, we had a nice adventure. Sweaty and gross.
Me too.
Oh, I can't even be cute. Man, I did not stop sweating. I've been sweating all day long. I just want to stop and just be normal. I can't be
We would decide to come to New York on a heat wave. But it is cooler than Georgia right now.
Right, it is a nice breeze though. So we're just chilling in Washington Square Park. You know, all super casual
People
and
watching.
shit.
That's like, I live here.
That's the vibes now.
If somebody asks me if my phone here, I'm gonna lie.
Yep.
Yes. I will be there.
Huh? Oh, you better play my song. First shot, so you don't be a punk ass and can get your tattoo. I'm getting my tattoo. I'm gonna cry. Oh, it's gonna feel. Oh god.
Shot number one.
I need some of this.
shot number one. Thank you.
I hate to be so nonchalant, but I guess I'm getting my nose pierced. This is supposed to be a big thing. It's supposed to be a huge video. And just randomly, I'm like, guess I'll get my nose pierced today.
After nose piercing. You can make me a favor after piercing, lady? You can send me the video to my Instagram so I can put it for pick up more customers.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Okay. Now I'm a little nervous. That was cool at first.
Okay, look into me straight. Straight.
Oh.
Yeah, like this.
That's gonna be dope.
Está ahí.
Faith.
¿Qué va a decir?
Nice to meet you, Eileen.
Take a look.
Elena.
Take a look in the mirror. Yes, no, maybe, I don't know.
I know I should have hit my vape pen a little bit harder.
This is smart. You can camera, girl. Okay, listen. This is like the close your eyes. Follow my instructions with my voice. And it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes. Breathe. Get the breathe.
I want to keep my eyes open.
Listen. Get the breathe. Breathe. I don't want to just okay?
Everything is
Pones ahí y toca.
and I try to make it as unique as possible.
Breathe.
This is art. Yeah.
Just breathe, girl. You can breathe.
Yeah.
You just have to fun with it. It's gonna be
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, you ready for the piercing?
Huh?
You ready for the piercing?
Oh, shit. Okay, it's done. Somebody is getting her Phoenix tag. Oh, shit. They just started. Got my nose. Right there. I don't even want to touch it, bro. But I know I gotta touch it to clean it. Seems legit. She could be in the You alright? It's okay.
I was being stupid. I was. Oh, girl. Oh, you motherfucker. Okay. All right.
Sharon, you make it how many?
This is 11.
It's just 11?
It's okay. It's okay. You're doing good. Come on, it's fine.
Okay, I need a second. I need a second.
Get up.
Girl is finished.
No shame.
Hey.
You like, yo, you got so much of it.
Mango.
Good night.
Good night, y'all.
Good night.
I did it,
She
friend.
did the damn thing. She did the damn thing.
I'm so proud of myself because I didn't scream like I
Did the
normally
damn
do.
thing.
I got it.
I got my nose, cute little nose piercing, and she got her fucking tummy.
And I've been drinking. Diona grandma got me drunk.
Oh, we
so
have been drinking all day.
that's why I this.
Yeah, you ain't shit.
And that's probably why it's well.
Oh, look, CVS is right there. Come on, let's go ahead and cross. You know what I'm saying? Look.
He was nice though. I liked him.
Yeah.
Like that tattoo artist.
was cool,
I'll
yeah.
say like he was not heavy-handed.
Okay.
Like, cause you see, I wasn't screaming. I was making faces.
Yeah.
I felt like when Angelo got his tattoo. You know,
Yeah.
Angelo was making them faces.
Yeah. Finally got my nose weird.
I bet I don't buy nothing else this whole trip.
My nose still hurts a little bit though.
I ain't buying no drinks. We should drinking water all night.
I've been in the dugout, looking for a way out. You know, just taking it slow.